Hey guys, on today's video we'll be in Maui on the northwest coast at the Nakalele Blowhole. It's a rugged coastline but made for some really cool drone footage. I hope you enjoy. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, so today we are going to the Nakalele Blowhole, which is on the northern tip of Maui, to check it out. Hey guys, so I'm at the Nakalele Blowhole. Did some droning out here this morning. Think I got some pretty good looking footage, and got a little bit of the blowhole, shooting some water up. But more, it's just a really beautiful coastline, beautiful area. It was a beautiful sunrise this morning. Here's the parking area for Nakalele Blowhole. Look for milepost 38 and a half, and the parking area is right across the street there, and that'll take you right down onto the trail. All right, and this is a beautiful bay right here. Nice place to chill out. Extra nice to chill out on your large boat if you got one of those laying around. All right guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. I have to say this is an absolutely beautiful location up on the northwest coast of Maui. If you ever get a chance to come up here to the Nakalele Blowhole, I would highly recommend it. It's a beautiful area, and watching the water spout out of the blowhole is pretty cool to see. All right, I'd also encourage you, come up early in the morning at sunrise. There's nobody up here, and the sky is just gorgeous. So hope you enjoy your day. Hope you enjoy the video. Take care. What a beautiful area that is. It sure made for some incredible drone footage, and it was a neat place to be. It was a little bit of a dicey shoot. I went up there twice to actually be able to get that photo shoot done. The first time I went up there, the wind conditions were so high that I didn't feel comfortable taking my drone up into the air. So I had to go back a few days later when the wind conditions were better. But it sure is a beautiful area. The coastline is this rugged coastline, very different than the sandy beaches you see everywhere else in Maui. The blowhole was a really cool thing, and being up there early in the morning made for a beautiful sunrise and some really good 4K drone footage. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok, and please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching, and take care.